started. So the first thing we're going to do is go into shapes and click on square. We're going to unlock the square and we're going to key in the size with the width 5.5 and height 12 and lock the square. Now once we're done with that, we'll go back to shapes and click on the circle, and we're going to unlock this and manipulate the size. And once that is done, you can lock it and place it on top of the square. Just align it in the middle. Once you're happy with that, you can highlight the whole thing and you can click on weld. Now that that's done, next go back to shapes and you're going to choose circle. I'm going to change the color here and then change the size as well, and that's going to go in the middle of the first circle, and I'm just going to align it in the middle. This is the part that we're going to cut later. Once you're happy with that, go into image and click on pattern in the search tab, and in the ownership I'll tick on free. Now I'm going to use the Beehive pattern over here today, so insert image. What you can do now is unlock and you can manipulate the size just to fit in on the square. Now there are 3 layers to this bookmark. This is the first layer. So once you're happy with that, you can lock the size in place and just make sure it's in the middle. Okay. So you can go ahead and highlight the whole thing and click on attach and it becomes one image. Next I'm going to copy and paste this and remove the Beehive pattern. So you can go to the right hand side and just click on the Beehive pattern by clicking on the eye symbol. Now that's going to be our third layer to the bookmark. So this is the middle layer, square, unlock, change the width to 5.5 and the height to 12 and lock it. Now I'm going to change the color for the 3 layers just so that you get an idea. So this one is going to be, well, it's going to be a black paper or black cardstock that I'm using. So the first layer of the bookmark and the last layer, which is the third layer, is going to be a cardstock, black cardstock paper, and the inner layer is going to be just a plain yellow paper. So that's the 3 layers. Okay, now we'll go ahead and make it, and the rest is quite easy. We're just going to use glue, paste it, and then I'm going to use a craft cord just to tie up on top, and you'll see at the end.